guys, it's Master Ord 247. I'm happy that you guys are joining me on my very first commentated video. Alright. Today I'm gonna be, not doing much. I'm just gonna be hanging around, I guess. Just gonna be... I forgot. Anyway, let's see here. I was going to rematch Gym Leader. I was just about to start recording when out of nowhere the game froze. I have no idea why. So don't ask me, okay? Just don't. I will not respond to your question. I'm sorry. Anyway, actually no. I'm not trying to. I don't want to overkill these guys, even though that'd be fun. Well, you know what? Overkilling's fun. Forget the non-overkilling. But yes, I'm not gonna use all my strong Pokemon. Yeah, here's an Ariados. I think I'm pretty much set. Anyway, sorry if my your vision is shaking and stuff. I'm sorry. I'm trying to hold the camera and play the game at the exact same time, which is really hard. And well, not really hard, but just annoying. Okay, yeah, guys. Okay, Pidgeotto, Lie, Saffron City. I hope my game doesn't freeze again, because that would suck. Hey, fly, Pidgeotto. Oh, Jesus, please tell me that didn't sound suggestive. I'm not trying to make this as least suggestive as possible. I hate suggestive. Wait. No, I'll put my Palkia in front. Cancel, whatever. And we run. Well, no, we're not right. Oh my god, a legendary beast is following me. Speaking of which, I heard many arguments over what Suicune, Raikou, and Entei are. If you ask me, I think that Suicune is like a cheetah, Entei, a lion, and then Raikou is a saber-toothed tiger. That's how I put it every time. Alright, now we're going in here, and we're gonna fight Whitney. My game is not gonna freeze. If it does, I'm gonna yell at a random person I don't know. Now Whitney, I never break my promises. Are you ready? No. And epic music time. I kill you, girl. And she's doing some random dance of happiness. Giraffe rig. Of course, other types of Pokemon, but we're gonna beat the crap out of it. Cause I'm special! And Earth Tower. Open up this Earth Tower. Awesome! Freaking awesome! I don't know, I'm weird today. And dead. I guess we're all the level. Yeah, let's get it. Licky, oh my god! Let's switch because I can. More so than my other buddies, wow. I really need to word things right now. Sorry guys. I don't know what I'm talking about. And Licky, it looks really retarded. No offense to Licky fans. Even though I have no idea why you would be. Psycho Cut of Death. And right now, guys, I have Arceus too, but not in my party. Because Arceus is freaking strong. I have a level 100. Those Judgment, Dragon type. I don't have any other plates. I accidentally stole my fire plate. I mean, that flame plate. I don't know what it's called. I don't care. Nobody cares. Nobody ever does. And I don't know why I sent him out. Like, him, yeah, it's him. Oh god, it's under-leveled-ish. Yeah, under-leveled-ish. That works. Yeah, I make up words as I go along. Oh crap! Oh crap! That's what I get for being under-leveled. Yeah. Yeah, I hate that thing. I want to punch it in the face right now. I wish I could. I wish I just did. No, that's just doing something. It really sounds like I'm a Digimon person. I hate that shit, honestly. I never even realized that there were any games of it. Oh my god, how'd you live through that? I don't care. Because I'm just gonna kill you next stream. Alash. Oh, you suck. You suck. You honestly suck out loud. Die. Oh! Okay, that's it. You must die. And stuff. Yeah, facial one's gonna kick the balls out of people, and that just sounded suggestive. Well, trying to be. Yay! By the way, guys, for future reference, I'm not gonna be doing a walkthrough of any games. I have, this camera that, has horrible quality. I can't really change things. Whoa! Wait, what am I supposed to hide? That's why I should be. Wow, come up on 6 minutes already. Oh, I never figured that this, entire video would take that long. Then again, it was taking a while because I was using and stuff. But who cares? Special defense, but not your defense. Yeah, I'm smart. Very, very smart. Man, I hope this doesn't go past 10 minutes. I'm gonna need to go take off when it's done. No, I'm not switching because I don't want to waste time. Infect. What did I just say? I don't know, guys. I really don't know. I'm, very weird. Stop making sense about, I don't know. Well, I never know things, but don't try. Nope, I don't. I'm really weird. That's what everybody else in my school thinks. But I'm not talking about school, it's game. Talking about games, sucker. 8 minutes already, wow. Wait, why does that matter anyway? Ooh, sweet, barrel. I know how to handle this. With my lucky. None other than else. Why you two? Because I will show you in a few moments. Hey, just one left. I ain't losing here. Yes, you are. Anyways, be gone. Shockwave. Die. The barrel. I'm not surprised that he actually has one. And if this thing moves through it, I'm gonna punch myself in the face. And it didn't. Yay, no punching. Alright. So anyway, guys, this is my longest video. And yeah. Epic music time. Ugh. I don't care. What's she gonna say? You really are strong, but I won't lose next time. Yes, you will. Well, later, and I'm interrupted by my mother. Later, guys. This is Master Orb 227, and I approve this message.